How to pick your first FPL squad. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can pick the first FPL squad. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to open up the FPL application in your mobile device and make sure that you're signed in into your account. If not, create a new account and then log in into your account. So once you land on this interface, head over to Fantasy from the menu bar at the bottom. That's gonna take you to this page. Here at the top, tap on the Pick Team. Now you'll find your team right on the interface where you can manage or arrange your team. Now you could build the squad by position. You have to pick one starter and one cheap backup. After that, now for the defender. So that was for the goalkeepers. Now for the defenders, you have to look for full backs or wing backs who get forward and can assist goal in your defender row. And for the midfielder, prioritize attacking midfielders who score or assist often. So according to your choice, you could pick your squad for the midfielders as well. Now for forwards, make sure that they aim for at least one premium forward and two budget value options. So if you tap on each player, you could set their budget value, their price match, and their selected percentage as well. If you want to substitute, you could head over to substitute, and you could also substitute players. If you want to view their full profile, tap on full profile. So in this way, you could build your squad by position, and you could also go for the or you could also choose captain and vice captain, where captain gets double points and vice captain step in if the captain does not play. So make sure that you pick reliable, high performing players for captaincy. If you want to set someone as a captain, currently I have this player as a captain right here. Now to change the captain, you can tap on the captain option. With that, the captain will be removed for this player. Then you could switch some other player if you want to set some other player as the captain of your squad. So once you're done selecting all of your players, say their budget, say their matches, say their selection percentage, and according to the preferred choice, you could set up your squad on FPL. Once you're done with that, now you could save your team or confirm your team before the game week 1 deadline, and you can make unlimited changes until the season starts. So that's the way to pick your first FPL squad, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.